Come home with a thug, let's get cracking always with baby, cause it happens. She leave the back seat, just a freak in the Magnum. Hopped out the Magnum, hopped in the tray, just to let the top back and thank God for the day. Who gives a what a hater gotta say? I made a couple $1 million last year dealing with, still in the streets. Strapped with them things, she in love with a G, so she tatted my name. I'm the biggest boss that you seen thus far. 10 black Maybachs back to back in the lane. I'ma make it rain, and I'ma make it back. You are just a lame little homie, that's a fact. Working with the police, acting like you know me. Fresh out of jail, already in your Jeep.
Getting mad at her, man.
I'm the biggest boss that you seen thus far. Cause it's just another day in the life of the damn boss. T-Pain. The boss. Boss, 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 boss. Boss, 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 boss. It's straight digging me, and I ain't even rich. I know you think it's on the sideline, like ain't that I'm on my job, and I ain't getting off, cause it's just another day in the life of the damn boss. The biggest boss that you seen thus far. Got the biggest house, man, it's bars, no bar. Call it other lane for the walk.